Old mask. Let's make a cute phone case charm with it. How? Let me show you. I have some beads from my old bracelet. Either way, you have to fill the beads inside this. Then hang some cute charms. Our cute charm is ready to hang on our phone case. My cute artist friends. If you like my videos, do like and subscribe. And can you give me a challenge for my next art video? What's your challenge? Let me know in the comments. After making charm this part left. So I decided to make something with it too. So let's make something cute with it. I am making a bow hair clip. The process is very easy. It's going to be very cute and beautiful. I am making this for my little sister. You can make it for yourself too. Like this is not looking bad, but I think why don't we decorate it a little. Now you can attach it with a hair clip or safety pin and you can use it. My cute artist friends, if you like my video, to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Hello.
Oh my god.
This Ramadan has gone by so quickly. It feels like Ramadan started yesterday. Eid is coming, so I thought I'd make Eid card in a new way. Every time we make Eid cards the old way, let's do something new. And trust me, this Eid card going to be very beautiful. I usually don't give salami to anyone because I have no income. Poor artist me. But this is for my baby sister. Obviously she can't use it, but I show her. She becomes very happy when I do something and give to her. I almost forgot to put money over here. If you want to know how do I fold this money like this, then let's check the below video. Now I'm using tissue paper to cover this part. You might be thinking why I'm covering it, right? But let me show you, because it is also a beautiful magical Eid card. We'll take a matchbox and use it over here. You can also make it and give to your loving ones, they might love it. So make it before Eid and give to your loving ones. Hopefully you like my Eid card. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Wow!